Savvy Serena. If you've never been here before, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. And if you like what you've seen today, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out and for people to find me. Today I'm doing a power hour. I've had extremely busy last couple of weeks and I've let the house go. And this is going to be a two-part series. The first part is my power hour. Next week you're going to see the weekly home blessing and why I choose that particular routine. But I need to do a pickup of the house. So I've put some things down that I want to do, that I need to get done first before I can do the weekly home blessing. And I'm going to start with washing dishes because I feel like washing dishes, we don't have that many dishes to wash, but sometimes a little task like that can get me motivated when I'm really not feeling like doing this, which I'm not. So that will help me get motivated. And hopefully I'll do a snowball effect and get this all done within an hour. So let's see how it works. everything done on my list. This ended up being more than a power hour. I ended up doing a little bit of the weekly home blessing as well. But stay tuned because that's what my next video will be. Maybe without the dusting, but I didn't realize how dusty things had gotten. So I feel better now that the house looks a little bit more in order. If y'all like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up before you leave. And don't forget to subscribe. Y'all come back now. You hear?